different elements. There is the element of money. That's why Tango Doi is very happy, because Museveni will give him money to organize NRM primaries, and there will be some apartments for him and his colleagues with whom they are serving Museveni. He told you he's very happy.
Huh?
The
elections are his cash cow.
Oh, you didn't see the excitement when he was saying, I'm very happy the roadmap for us, we are starting. Museveni will give him money
wants me to cry.
to go and organize NRM primaries, and I said apartments will begin germinating in Kampala and Wakiso. Even for Museveni, the last election, Museveni's sister Kajubiri, the husband who is a German and was given a contract to run partially Uganda Printing and Publishing Corporation, had been given a contract of more than 200 billion shilling to print election materials in Germany and elsewhere. So even that family is happy, because another big enterprise is about has been unveiled. Museveni's Muko will go to print election materials. So the excitement by that corner of Tango Doi and Museveni family is understandable. In the early years of Museveni, especially when he still had his contemporaries around him, every election calendar, every electoral process provided the country with an opportunity to continue improving its systems incrementally. That's how we moved from a purely military regime to allow some parties to operate. You remember Museveni putting on a council to go to Masaka to begin campaigning as a civilian leader. Of course, later he would carry an AK-47, put on military uniform. And what should preoccupy us, Simon Kabaka Njagala?
Kagwanjagala.
Okay, Kagwanjagala.
The new name.
What should preoccupy us, especially professors of university, is the quality of elections in Uganda, not the chances that a roadmap or an election calendar provides for individual political parties. That's what we should be debating, not just stamping for us, we are ready. We should be discussing the quality of election that we are able to deliver as a country, that we are able to deliver as an institution to Uganda, and whether we are making progress as a country.
But even before you go to quality,
yes,
would you give it to Electoral Commission for releasing their roadmap in real time?
Do you have an Electoral Commission in Uganda? You've
Yes,
seen
Mr.
Museveni in the case of Bukedea. Museveni, who is very mischievous most of the time, is now the one complaining that there are electoral malpractices in Bukedea, ordering arresting of people. One of the crimes is that they voted for Wananchi, who turned up in the morning. The NRM team, which he heads, this professor Tango Doi, voted for voters. They turned up at the polling station when voting had ended. Tango Doi was there physically. It is not Electoral Commission that is complaining. It is not Electoral Commission that seeks to...
It's not even voters.
Not even voters. Not Electoral Commission that seeks to clean up. So the Electoral Commission in Uganda works like any other institution